Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. It's going to be a nightstand by WMX. So we're going to take out all the pieces and parts here and try to put this thing together. So let's see what we got. Okay, so here I am taking all the pieces and parts out. I have this sped up about 30 times because it took close to an hour to get them to put together. And I put together two sets simultaneously, or two nightstands simultaneously. So here I am, putting all the little screws in. Having a screw gun like this was totally handy. If you're doing it by hand, I would add another 20 or 30 minutes to get it done. So kind of take that in mind. And you see I'm just putting all these pieces in. There were a few things I did incorrectly when I did it. So I did have to undo and redo a couple of pieces and parts. But you see these are all the sides and shelves, and here we go, I'm putting the sides on, which actually I ended up having incorrect and having to switch them out, which was an easy switch. They have all the screws and everything you need. It even came with a few extras, so that was kind of nice as well. I'm still putting it together here, and you see it goes together fairly straightforward. It was super easy to put together, so as far as difficult level, it was simple, but it just took time. So that was the issue, and also because I kept switching between the two different ones. Like here I am putting one on, and then I'm doing the other nightstand. I don't know if it would have been quicker to do one at a time, because they did come packaged with all the accessories and bolts and everything like that separated, so it would be easy to put one together and then the other. But here I am putting the other side on. It's kind of got a farmhouse kind of look to it with those little X's on the side and the back panels there. And I didn't fully attach the back panels. It does have some little corner pieces that you can put in there to really keep it square. I just didn't even have my square with me, so I didn't want to commit to it without doing it. And also, it's pretty strong and stable and staying together without any issues already. And you can see here I'm already up to the drawers. So the drawers were pretty simple, and I'm sitting here putting together 4 drawers at the same time. So got the sides on them here, and then the bottom just slides on. So everything is pretty straightforward, and using a Phillips head bit on my screwdriver is all I needed for everything. So that was what it did here. And you can see here I am putting the drawers in. It was pretty easy. That's the second one, and there I am. Okay, so here we are. We got them done, and you can see they are nice little nightstands here. They have a nice look on the side here with the little cross pattern here, kind of a farmhouse look. The drawers work great because they were put together amazingly. And you get a set of 2 of these, and they have the regular outlets on the top, and you also have 2 USBs on each side. So how sweet is that? And then it'll just plug in with this, so you can plug in lamps and everything else into it. So how cool. These are just beautiful, well made. Look at this. This is a sturdy, little farmhouse nightstand. So you get 2 of these, and they are super solid. They look amazing. And you can see I have white other furniture and stuff like that. So for me, matches everything I have here. So totally awesome. Thumbs up for sure. This is great. Pick up some of these, and you saw the whole assembly. I'll say it took about an hour to assemble both of them. So if you're just getting 30 minutes, so that's about it. But hopefully you like it. I like it. Thumbs up for sure.